Seed ball making for drone reforestation. A seed ball is a seed coated with a mixture of biochar, manure, compost, clay, and effective microorganism to support plant growth. Step 1. Boil water. Step 2. Soak the seeds in the boiled water using fine cloth. This hot water treatment softens the outer shell of the seeds to enhance germination. This will be used to scarify the seeds using hot water method. Step 3. Fill it with lukewarm water and remove seeds that are floating. By filling the seeds with water, this will determine the unhealthy seeds that are floating. We have to remove it for it will not survive when it grows. Step 4. Drain the water. We can now drain the water and prepare the remaining seeds to be enclosed in our seed ball. Step 5. Put all the mixtures in an empty basin. This is a ready-made mixture of carbonized rice hull, cocoa peat, and manure. We will then include clay to hold the mixture together. Step 6. Put enough water to the mixture. Step 7. We will then mix it properly until the materials are bonded. It is important to put water in the mixture to establish moisture in the seed ball. Step 8. Put EM in the mixture and mix again. Step 9. We can now form a ball of the mixed materials using only our hands and enclose the seeds with it. Put it in your preferred storage to be dried later. This workshop will engage students, entrepreneurs, and communities to make their own seed balls to be dispersed by drones in deforested areas. Step 10. After this, we can now dry the seed balls under the heat of the sun for a maximum of 24 hours. Finally, the seed balls are now ready to be planted. Now the drones will handle the rest. A forest that starts from your fingertips.